are the 7 Ps of the marketing mix, and how can this help my small business?
They include 1. Product. This refers to your business's goods or services. Consider your product's features, benefits, and unique selling proposition. 2. Price refers to how much customers pay for your product. Consider factors such as the cost of production, competition, and customer perception when setting your prices. 3. Place refers to the channels through which your product is distributed to customers. Again, it would be best to consider factors such as the target market, accessibility, and convenience when choosing distribution channels. 4. Promotion refers to the methods used to communicate your product to potential customers. It would help if you considered advertising, public relations, personal selling, and other promotional methods. 5. People. This refers to the people involved in your product's marketing, sales, and delivery. Consider your employees' skills, knowledge, attitudes, and customer service experience. 6. Process. Refers to the processes involved in delivering your product to customers, from manufacturing to delivery. Again, considering efficiency, quality control, and customer satisfaction factors would be best. 7. Physical evidence. Refers to the physical environment where customers interact with your product or service. Again, consider factors such as store design, packaging, and branding.
By considering each of these 7 Ps in your marketing strategy, you can develop a well-rounded approach that considers all aspects of your business and its customers. These digital marketing 7 acts can help you identify improvement areas and make changes to improve your customer experience and overall business performance.